a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for joining us today at this very special launch event. I sincerely hope you, along with your family and dear ones, are staying safe during this tough pandemic. 4 years ago, we started on a journey to make world-class ultrasound accessible for clinicians across the country. We developed Versana brand, which helped clinicians with a global standard ecosystem. When you buy a Versana ultrasound, you not only get quality, affordability, serviceability and upgradability, but world-class education. We will always be there with you in your clinical journey. We introduced the very first Versana Essential product for clinicians to evolve from black and white ultrasound system to proudly own their first color Doppler system. Versana has been built upon years of GE legacy. Our philosophy has been always around understanding your workflow and provide you with the best tools to make you successful. We have migrated decades of knowledge from Voluson and Logic portfolio and designed a product with exceptional quality. Since 2017, we have added 5 more products to the Versana family to provide our clinicians with wide range of tools across care areas such as obstetrics, gynecology, radiology, cardiology and emergency medicine. Today, Versana has received a lot of love from all of you, and we are extremely proud and privileged to have your support and blessings. Soon you will have entire Versana range manufactured in India. In the last 18 months, the world has gone through a very challenging time. We had to adapt, learn new ways, and come up with new ideas to overcome challenges. At GE, we have an undying spirit of innovation, and we innovate keeping clinicians at the center. So before we came up with a new innovation in the Versana family, we listened to you very carefully. Today we are happy to announce that our new addition to the Versana family will provide the solution what you have been looking for. The innovation has been created focusing on 3 key pillars. Number 1, productivity. Advanced artificial intelligence and smart automated tools to increase efficiency. Second, powerful next generation imaging technology platform for faster diagnosis. And third, the most important, versatility. It is designed for multi-speciality to meet diverse patient needs. The wait is over. Let's welcome our newest member of the Versana family, Versana Premier Expert, the most advanced and powerful Versana system built till date. Please have a look. Thank you very much.
Versana Premier is the ultrasound system that helps physicians deliver care with confidence. Now, newly designed Versana Premier takes ultrasound to the next level. Because Versana Premier comes from GE Healthcare, a partner you can trust, you get advanced imaging technology in a powerful, productive, versatile ultrasound system. Versana Premier's new innovative Vision Boost platform enables WizLabel and multi-touch workflow to help you achieve greater efficiency, and features like Wiz Easy Style for shifting quickly from smooth to sharp mode, and Color Flow for visualization of flow direction, along with VLive, which provides exceptional anatomical realism to help boost patient satisfaction during exams. Plus, versatile Versana Premier supports a wide range of common exams and specialty scans. Perform abdominal scans, OB/GYN scans, MSK scans, urology scans, small parts, and more. This reliable system is backed by GE Healthcare service and support, and Versana Premier is a complete solution. That means you get the versatility you've been looking for, along with the education and support you can use to master this system that comes with a low total cost of ownership. And here's another great thing. Versana Premier is available in multiple configuration options, so it's designed to help you grow. It's time to elevate your diagnostic capabilities. Versana Premier.
Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Singh and I work with GE Healthcare. I take care of primary care ultrasound. First of all, thank you very much for the overwhelming response to the Versana family. This is the newest addition into our ultrasound product portfolio. We started the journey of Versana 4 years back, and today across the globe we have great number of installations. So thank you very much for your support. As we talked in past, Versana is not one word. It is amalgamation of two words, Ver and Sana. Ver means versatility, means equipment should be versatile enough to cater to multiple workflows. At the same time, it should be brilliant in the sense that it should provide the best image quality for that particular segment of the products. In last 4 years, we have rolled out 6 products from Versana family. Versana Premier Expert is going to be the new product which we are going to add to this family. So it is going to be the 7th product, and it can be a 7th wonder in the ultrasound portfolio. Why I am saying so? Because when we get into details about this product, we'll understand more. So products, when we are talking about Versana, what is our brand promise when we try creating the Versana brand? The brand promise is creating totally dependable solution which is elegantly simple. Elegantly simple to use for any clinician across diverse clinical environment to do care with confidence, care about patient and with lot of confidence. And how we are trying to take this journey forward by leveraging digital technology. When we are talking about a Versana Premier Expert model, it is going to be a machine of future where you will find lot of automation, AI features, a new way of looking at a complete imaging chain. When we talk about Versana Premier Expert model, we have divided the features into 3 categories. And why we have done that? Because when we work with clinicians, we understood their pain points. Like the first pain point was, clinician was spending a lot of time with the machine. Just to make a function work on the machine, they had to press multiple keys. And in that case, patient was lying on a couch and there was a very minimal conversation which was happening between the doctor and the patient, because the doctor or clinician was busy managing the machine. So the first thing we thought that how we can make the clinician more productive. To make them more productive, we leverage artificial intelligence and digital machine learning platforms. And using these platforms, we created features which will make clinician more productive so that they spend lesser time with the machine and more time with the patient. To just call the few features, AI annotation of the organs. If we talk about, a lot of people come from different backgrounds, they have worked different machines in past, and when they come to the new machine, they always struggle with the image quality they want to adjust. We have created a machine learning algorithm which gives one touch either smooth or sharp image. So just by pressing one button, your all settings are taken care, and then the clinician will have more free time to interact with the patient and help him feel better. The second challenge which we found when we were talking to clinicians, the machines were not powerful enough. There are powerful machines available, but those are very high priced products. But in these price points, which are affordable, there were no product which was powerful. And that is what we said, that if we go on a conventional way, increasing the efficiency of the hardware and software by 10%, it is not going to help the clinician. Then we reimagined the whole imaging change and created a new platform called Vision Boost. In Vision Boost, we are leveraging hardware and software combination to make sure there is a faster data acquisition, the image quality remains same, SNR becomes better, and how we can process that data faster so that whatever data is getting acquired is reflecting on the screen as soon as possible. To make sure in the Vision Boost platform how there are multiple features, there are multiple algorithms which is running in behind. The third and important part, to make the machine more versatile. When we are making a machine more versatile, it was first to understand what exactly people wants, what a clinician wants. And we understood that there were limited number of probes, limited number of softwares, or limited number of measurements which were available in the machines. And when we understood that, that is what gave us a clear idea that, okay, what a clinician wants in a machine. We created a range of probes for that machine. We created a lot of new features which will help clinicians to diagnose better. The third and important part, we also created a lot of measurements which were very cumbersome and time consuming for our clinician. So by addressing these three needs, we have created a wonderful product with a crystal clear image quality, with the power of a very high range product and a versatility, and the first AI enabled equipment in this price range. Having said this, the motto, when we create a product, we just don't do it because we have to create an ultrasound machine. We want to understand the clinical needs, the challenges clinicians go through, and then put our head, heart and hand to create a solution which will enable them to have a better patient care.
I've been evaluating this new machine, Versana Premier Expert, and I've been working on it for last 3 days. And what actually struck me first of all was its very nice, impressive design, and also a very big monitor. Now this monitor is more than 21 inches, and the advantages of a big monitor are that you can see better and you can see more clearly, and so your diagnosis is aided. Added to it was that there's a very large touch panel which is more than 13 inches, and it is very easy to operate like this. So with a simple touch of the finger, you can do multiple functions. Talking about the features, we are aware that these days the patients don't want to wait for a long time. They want to get their scans done, and they want to probably collect their reports in the same sitting. They don't want to come back for their report collection. So in that case, what we need is a very accurate imaging, we need a good diagnosis, and we need a faster throughput for the reporting also. So one feature that comes in real handy for these situations is artificial intelligence. And this machine, Versana Premier Expert, has got some artificial intelligence. So let's talk about this. Now they've got this feature known as the Viz. Now what is this Viz about? It's quite interesting, because when I ask the patient to take a deep breath and I freeze the section, the moment I freeze the section, the machine is going to recognize that this is the liver, and it's automatically reporting it as liver. Another interesting feature is V-Live. Now what really is V-Live is a very handy tool, especially when we do 3D, 4D. For example, if you see this acquisition, we've done a 3D acquisition, and if we press V-Live, and this is what we can get, and if we press light, then we can see that we can create that kind of a depth perception in the acquired image. We can see that this is a loop of the cord which is lying in front of the face, and it's not really a defect in the lip, and we can rule that out, and also we can rule out any artifacts which are in front of the fetal face. Not only that, we can see the palpebral fissures, and we can see further features of the fetal face, which is extremely useful.
I happened to evaluate this Versana Premier Expert GE company machine. The unique feature which I have come across in this machine is the Viz feature, that is the artificial intelligence. They have enabled it in, so it will be helpful for us to do the auto annotation. and the optimization of the images while doing scans dynamically. That is also your unique feature, which I have not seen it in any other machine. Smooth mode to sharp mode shift also possible as we are doing the scans, and the easy maneuverability of these findings is very, very useful for us. Rendering images and also vision boost architecture that has created a good quality, high quality images, and also takes the Varsana Premier Expert to the next level. VLive makes more detailed images, and the 3D and 4D images are awesome for a fetal evaluation. This Varsana Premier Expert machine has got a wide range of probes: curvilinear, linear, transvaginal, transrectal, and the volume probe. The Varsana Premier Expert is one of the good machine which I have come across in recently.
In today's world, especially in a city like Mumbai, where we are scanning a lot of patients per day, maximizing the scanning time and minimizing the waiting time for the patient is very, very important. So in these past 2 weeks, when I was using this particular equipment, the Varsana Premier Expert, I found some features which were very good. One thing which was great was the new 21.5 inch monitor. Apart from that, the large, elegant and sensitive touch panel made my work very, very easy. So the gel warmer was a very good added feature, especially in neonates and pediatric age group patients. Apart from that, I found the hydraulic system to be very effective. With a single hand, I could easily maneuver the equipment. One new feature that we saw in the 3D rendering was the Vision Boost VLive feature, in which we could effectively optimize our 3D images by using a light source which we could move 180 degrees around the fetal face, and we got a better perception of the depth, and we could optimize our image very well. So there are very good AI based features which I was shown in this Varsana Premier Expert equipment. So here you can see that I am scanning the liver, and I switch on this feature called the Viz label, and as soon as I get a good plane and I freeze my image, the organ is automatically annotated. Okay, this same thing I will try and do it with the kidney. So here you can see the kidney in focus. Again, when I freeze the image, both the liver and the kidney are annotated. So one other good feature that I was shown in this particular equipment was the breast and thyroid productivity tool, in which while doing a live scan, I could actually label the abnormality in the software itself. Depending, like if I was doing a breast scan, I could actually label which quadrant, what is the abnormality, what are the findings, and then at the end of the scan, my findings were automatically integrated in the report as per the BI-RADS and TI-RADS classification. So this actually helped me reduce my scan time.
As I said earlier, that at GE Healthcare, we put our head, heart and hand together to create a solution for better patient care. At the same time, we are equally concerned about your growth or overall development of the clinicians. When you get into the Varsana family of the product, you are not just getting a product or ultrasound, you are getting a complete solution which will help you to upskill your knowledge, which will help you to get into many educational programs, and which will help you to get application support in a various forms and shapes. Apart from that, the upgrade opportunity with GE Healthcare is enormous. Based on your requirement, your development and your growth, we have a lot of solutions which are available. When we are working on all these digital ecosystem, this will enable you to do everything from your clinic rather than going anywhere else. So these products are reliable products, totally dependable and elegantly simple. With that, you get the ecosystem of GE Digital. When I'm talking about this, you will also have sessions, clinical lectures, where you can see the power of the machine and also understand the clinical relevance of those. And once we are done with that, I'm sure you are super excited to have a look on the machine. So request you to reach out to our local representative in your region to book the demo today. Thank you very much for all the support you are doing and helping us to take the ultrasound technology to the next level. Thank you very much.